Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect to a Zoom meeting on laptop. To get started, make sure your laptop is on and ready to use and that Zoom is already installed. This process is simple, and once you've done it a few times, joining meetings becomes very quick. First, open the Zoom app on your laptop. You can usually do this from your desktop, taskbar, applications folder, or by searching for Zoom in your computer's search bar. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load. You should arrive at the Zoom home screen where the main meeting options are displayed. On the home page, look for the option labeled Join. This is the button you'll use when you want to enter a meeting without needing to start one yourself. It's typically easy to spot on the main screen among the other Zoom options. If your window is small or still loading, just wait a second and make sure you're on the Home tab of the Zoom app. When you find the Join option, click on it. This will open the Meeting Join window, where Zoom asks for the information needed to connect you to the correct meeting. This screen is important because it's where you'll enter the details provided by the meeting host. Now enter the details to join the meeting. Typically this includes the meeting ID and, if required, the name you want to appear under in the call. In some cases, you may also need to enter a passcode if one is required for the meeting. Be careful when typing these details, since even a small mistake can prevent Zoom from finding the meeting. If you copied the meeting information from an invitation, you can usually paste it in to save time and avoid errors. Before continuing, you may also notice options related to audio or video, such as whether to connect with your microphone muted or with your camera off. These can be helpful if you're joining a professional meeting and want a moment to settle in before speaking or appearing on screen. Once everything is entered correctly, continue to join the meeting and wait while Zoom connects. Depending on the host settings, you may enter the meeting right away or be placed in a waiting room until you're admitted. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of connecting to a Zoom meeting on a laptop. If you have trouble joining, double-check the meeting details and make sure your internet connection is stable before trying again.